So hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys about my most favorite and my first craft supply, that is the hot glue gun. A shout out to Komal who wanted this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. The hot glue gun that I use is by the company Marco and the model is MK40. So I bought this hot glue gun 2 years back from a local stationery shop and it works very smoothly. So in order to use it, all you have to do is just plug it on and insert hot glue gun sticks. We're gonna leave it for 5 minutes till the nozzle gets heated. Actually, hot glue gun is nothing but an appliance that just heats up and melts the glue. So the nozzle will get heated and the glue will be released. So you can use it for pasting or making any other DIY. So the hot glue gun sticks that I used is by the company Jensen. So you can use actually any one because all of them are just made up of silicone. So you can also find glitter variants of glue gun sticks and also colored variants. But I normally prefer the normal ones because glitter ones are okay. And you can use these glue sticks or you can use glue gun for making symbols or maybe something 3D, I guess that makes sense. It is basically used for pasting because it just dries very quickly and makes the work of a crafter very easy. Therefore, I use it always. So there are some materials that the hot glue gun just cannot stick. For example, metals, glass and at times plastics as well because of their, kind of like glossy appearance or texture you can say. So whenever I have to just make a symbol that I have to just take out as a whole, so I use this plastic mat for making it. On the other hand, if we take a look at this pouch that I'm making, I'm using felt. So you can say that hot glue gun sticks the fabric very strongly and therefore the pouch might last for years. Hot glue gun comes in many variants, for example 40 watt, 80 watt and so on. So personally I use the 40 watt one because it's perfect for crafting and it's the best option if you also want to just have a glue gun for crafting. And make sure that you don't touch the nozzle because it's super hot and it might burn your fingers. The hot glue gun comes in various sizes as well. There is actually a smaller version of a hot glue gun, but don't go for it because the glue sticks of that smaller hot glue gun is really difficult to find and you might end up just having the gun and no glue sticks. So I guess that I have covered almost everything, but if there is something that you want to ask, please comment down below and I would love to answer your questions. So thank you so much for watching my videos and I'm glad you made it this far to this one. So also if you just want a shout out in my next video, make sure you just comment #MSSquad.